made it, fellas, to the world's most famous beach, Daytona Beach, Bike Week 2021. I'm gonna go send it down Main Street, show you guys what's happening. Look at that, waves out there. Surf's up. Sun, fun, and sand. Lots of motorcycles. Palm trees. Main Street 2021. 80th running a Bike Week. Daytona Beach welcomes riders. We see all kinds of craziness here. Indian Motorcycles right over here on the right. They've been here for about, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. This is a cemetery over here on this side, and over here is Boot Hill Saloon. Show them Boot Hill. Back down Main Street, we turn around by the bridge. Saloon's right up here, start of Main Street on the right. Big party going on there all week. Hill Saloon. Main Street Station. Bike, that was fucking awesome. Thanks.
No thanks.
This is Main Street, goes straight to the ocean right here. It's a boardwalk right there. Beautiful this is. Welcome to Daytona Beach. What it's all about. If you come to Daytona, you got to go to the boardwalk. They have a chopper show here. It's called the Boardwalk Chopper Show. They host it right there on that patio, right there, right at the end of Main Street. It's easy to find. And you got to go to Joe's Crab Shack and go up to the upper deck there. You can see for miles. It's just so beautiful. Very historic place. I've been coming here for 30 years. This has been here the whole time. I don't know. It must be from the 70s or something. I don't know. One of the few remaining beaches in the country you can ride your motorcycle down still, or take your car. You see the tracks right there. As long as you stay in between the two poles, you can ride. It used to be 11 miles on the beach. I'm not sure. A couple years ago it was 11 miles. Christy and I drove the whole way on the XR 650. It's just awesome. You can see the tide's coming in, but at low tide you can drive down the beach. This is where they used to race. They actually raced the motorcycles on the beach. I think it was like 3.2 miles round trip. Go up one way on the beach and then one way, the next way back on the road. This building is built on piers. Piers. You gotta wonder how long that's gonna last. It's been here a long time. Eat it, Joe's. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. It's actually closed. You're not supposed to come up here. I'm probably gonna get kicked out, but let's go check it out. Doors open. Woohoo! free at last. Check it out. It's closed, but I'm risking getting in trouble to show you guys how cool it is up here. It's a place to go. I had lunch up here with the kids last time I was up here. It's a rooftop bar right here. And that's Main Street down there. Awesome view, huh? Just spectacular. Homie's fixing the deck up here. That's why it's closed. Not for Captain America.
Did you go up there?
Yes.
It's gonna be about 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay.
That's where the show is tomorrow. This is the top of Main Street looking down. See all the way to the other end.
Make it to Japan so I can hit
fun.
So you're swimming in the ocean, you see a shark. What do? You stab the fucker in the eye. 20 times.
How's that
Otherwise,
again?
he'll eat you. Because guess what? It's Jaws, okay? They're going to eat you, all right? So, survival of the fittest in the ocean, okay? Today's lesson's over. The roof is closed for the sheep. Guys, thanks for subscribing for the 100,000 subscribers. It's a huge milestone. We'll have some special events planned, hole shots, whatever, to honor all the subscribers. But Junior's racing them out, so the best is yet to come.
No, it was better the way it was.
What's his name?
Teddy.
Hey, Teddy. How you doing, little buddy? Are you a stress relief dog or something? What do you do?
EMA dog.
EMA, what's that?
ESA dog. Emotional support animal.
Yeah, he looks pretty ready to support somebody's emotions. My emotions are feeling kind of stressed today. Can I get a little bit? Can I get a little bit? Oh, I can. I can. I can. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, you make everybody happy. Everybody's happy when they see you. Yes, you. Yes, you, boo. Yes, you, boo, boo. Yes, you, boo. Are you stressed out today? He's always happy, huh?
Yes,
He's a happy boy. He's a happy boy. You like it when people scratch you? You want to get scratched? Oh, you do like getting scratched. Oh, yes. He's a good boy. Look at this, a room with a view. Freaking fantastic. That wraps up the Main Street Daytona 2021 tour, including the boardwalk, the rooftop, the pavilion where they do the bike shows. I showed you everything I knew about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Got some great footage coming from Bike Week coming your way, so stay tuned. God bless America. God bless the United States of America.